If you don't have money to upgrade for Grok AI, then this is a new AI tool which you can use just like Grok, and you'll be generating videos. You can generate 6-second video, 10-second video, 30-second video, just like Grok. And this AI tool, you don't need to subscribe, you don't need to pay any money, and you can be using it to generate videos for yourself. As a matter of fact, I use the AI tool to generate this video you are seeing right here. This video you are seeing right here. Let me play the video so that you guys are going to see the video.
My wife, this water is a big water. I never knew it this large.
Yes, it's very big.
Now you see the video that just played right now. I generated this video using the AI tool I'm going to review right now in this video. And without waiting much of your time, let's go dive into it. Let me show you this new AI tool which I just found that you can use to generate videos for yourself. So let's get started. Now this is the AI tool. If you register on the AI tool, they are going to give you 500 credits immediately you register, and they will also bring you to somewhere like this where you can just finish this task. If you can be able to finish this task you are seeing here, they will also give you additional 200 credits, which will make it 700 credits. Now as you can see, the same occupation type, so content creator, just select content creator. Then you come back here. As you can see, main purpose of using AI tools. What is your main purpose? So let's say educational and teaching, because that is what I do. Then the next thing they say, prefer video type to create. You can create short video, cinematic story. Let me put it cinematic story. Anyone you choose. Video production, experience level. So I will put beginner. Then I'll click on continue. Now main video platform and publishing channel, so I will choose YouTube or Facebook, anyone. You can just choose 2 or 3. Now where did you hear about us? I'll say YouTube. Now you click on next. Now what do you hope to achieve? Good video quality. So after that, I'll click on get credit. Now as you can see, survey submit successful. Now thank you for your time. You have earned 200 credit automatically added to your account. Now coming to my account here, when you look up here, you are going to see 700 credits. So they just gave me 700 credits right now. And as you can see, breaking news, Seedance 2.0 is back. So I can start using this Seedance 2.0 and start generating videos for myself. Now on this AI tool, you are going to see several things you can do. Like you can see cinematic video, animation video, you are seeing everything up here, text to video, you can see a lot of them. So let me click home. Let me go back to home page, and I'm going to show you. As you can see, all these things you can use them. If you want to also create story videos, as you can see, you click on story video. You can also create story videos here. You are going to see different type of templates. Anyone you feel like using, all these cartoon things, you can see them here, and you click on it and you start using them. As you can see, all these story videos, you can use any template you are seeing here. Any template you like, you can just click on it and you start using it to create videos. As you can see, they have different type of templates, anyone you feel like using. And we also have different things here like cinematic video. If you want to create cinematic video, you just click on cinematic video and it's going to open like this. Now as you can see, this is where you can just put your description of your video and you start generating your video, as simple as ABCD. Now I can just put the prompt of my video here, the type of video I want, and select aspect ratio or landscape. I will just select it here and I'll click on confirm, and I'll start generating video like 30-second video. As you can see 30-second video, 90-second video, 5-minute video, 10-minute video. I can click on it and start generating video here. So for those of you that I said you want to generate 20-minute video, 30-minute video, as you can see everything here, you can generate 20-minute video, 30-second video, everything you can generate it here. Now all you just need to do is just to put your prompt, and after you put your prompt, you are going to see your storyboard, and you select your everything, and it's going to start generating the video for you. So let's go back again, so that I'm going to show you some things again. Now when you click like text to video, when you click on text to video here, this is how it's going to open. Now this is where you are going to do your text to video. All you just need to do, just put your text here, your prompt, you just put your prompt here, and you select your video model. You can see 1, 2.3, 3.0, all these things, clicks 3.1, all these ones. You are going to see everything here like this. You are going to see all different type of AI tools which you can use to do text to video, and you will see the credits they are going to charge you. You can also do image here. When you bring it to image, You can use their image model to do text to in image also. So let's go back again. Let me show you some things again. Now, this is voiceover. If you want to do voiceover, you can just click on voiceover also. Now, if you click on this where there's right breaking news Seedance 2.0, if you click on it, it will take you to where you can use Seedance 2.0 to start generating videos for yourself with a perfect result. You can also select other model here, not Seedance 2.0. You can also see Seedance 2.0, Clinks 3.0. You can also see a lot of video model here. Are you seeing them like Sora 2? You are going to see them like Super Grok. As you can see Super Grok also, you are going to see Super Grok here. So for right now, I want us to use Seedance 1.5 because Seedance 1.5 Pro here has small coin. You can use small coin to generate video with it. Just put it here like this and you select your the type here 1 and you select everything here, your result, aspect ratio, and you put your aspect ratio. If you want 16.9, 9 point this one, anyone you want, you can just select it here. So after you select it, you put your prompt, and after you put your prompt, you start generating your video. You can also upload image. If you have image, for example, if you have image on your phone, you can upload any image and you turn it to video. Let me upload an image and show you example. Now I'm going to upload this image you are seeing here. I'm going to upload this image, and after I upload this image, I'm going to put my prompt, and after putting my prompt, I'm going to click on generate, and I'm going to generate videos with it. Now let me put my prompt. You are going to see. Now I will say the man said, the man said, then I will put explanation mark, my wife, this water is a big water, I never knew it's this large, something like this. I'm just start testing it. Then after that, I will select my aspect ratio. Let me put it 9.16. Then after that, I'll click on here like this. I'll put it on Seedance 1.5 Pro, just like I said. So after that, the next thing I'm going to do is just to click on generate. As you can see, generate status. Now it's generating the video. Now this is the video up here. As you can see, it's generating the video up here. I cannot bring it down because I'm using my phone. If I'm using my laptop, it will be more wider than this, and it's generating my video for me already. So I just need to give it some minutes and it's going to generate the video for me. So let's give it some minutes. Now this is the result here. I change my phone to desktop mode so that you guys are going to see it very well. Now this is the result. So this is the result. I can decide to play it right now so that you guys are going to see. Let me play the result so that you guys are going to see how the result look like.
My wife, this water is a big water. I never knew it this large.
Yes, it's very big.
So that is the result. You can also use this AI tool to generate videos for yourself. Now you have seen the AI tool, how you can use this AI tool to be generating videos for yourself for free without subscribing, without payment. So if you find this video helpful, I want you to like this video, comment, and also share this video. And if today is the first time you are coming across this channel and you have not subscribed, do well to hit that subscribe button so that when next I drop more videos like this, you also be among of the people to watch those videos. See you guys on my next video.